So, Utkarsh, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
For making it in the SSB.
Thank you, sir.
थोड़ा सा अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताओ. How did you get interested? Of course, you joined an academy.
Yes, sir.
In between, that is where we met. तो किस तरह से you approached this SSB? इससे पहले भी शायद attempt दे चुके हो तो?
Yes, sir. This was my fourth attempt.
Fourth attempt.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर इससे पहले तो सर मेरी SSB शुरू होती है 12वीं के बाद से. सर 12वीं के बाद जैसे हम सभी कंफ्यूज होते हैं क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना, कुछ आइडिया होता है क्या करना है. तो बनना तो मैं इंजीनियर चाहता था सर. IIT से इंजीनियरिंग करना चाहता था. तो मैंने अपनी वहाँ से इंजीनियरिंग शुरू की. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई वॉज नॉट फोकस्ड इनफ, वॉज नॉट एबल टू क्लियर द एग्जामिनेशन. बाकी सर उसके साथ साथ एज अ बैकअप मैंने तब NDA भी दिया था.
Okay.
तो आई क्लियर्ड NDA बट दैट टाइम आई गॉट स्क्रीन्ड आउट.
Okay.
And after that, once I went for the 10+2 BTech entry, which you get after mains. So that was the first time, sir, I decided actually that I would be going for SSB, as the process itself to select was beautiful and I liked that process itself. So that was the first motivation which I got to join the forces.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो उसके बाद में क्या मतलब which was the serious attempt, last serious attempt?
So last serious attempt was my third attempt when I went to Allahabad. So I was serious enough, I was motivated enough, and I prepared also. But sir, unfortunately, there was many mistakes which I did, and I learned from them. And also, sir, you guided us through. As sir, I believe before going through any of test, first you need to introspect as why you are giving the test, what is required of it. And sir, that was actually helped by the processes which we did, like DDY, the Unacademy course which you ran. So that helped me a lot to introspect actually. And after that, sir, everything was self-preparation now. Because sir, you know what else is required? General awareness, physical fitness, that you do. And if you are well aware of yourself, you actually know where you need to improve. And sir, there you helped us. And after that, we prepared. And also, I would say my conference out attempt, which was SSC Tech, has to play a very big role in getting me recommended in my very next attempt, because that showed me areas of improvement and I worked upon it, and ultimately I got recommended from one FSB Dehradun.
Okay. तो see, जितना मैं तुम्हें देख पाया हूँ during the classes, I have evolved another way of assessing people through the interaction that you do during the class.
Yes, sir.
So online class में भी जब आप लोग interact करते हो, the kind of questions you ask, the kind of comments you make, that is also reflective of your attitude, the way you look at things. So
yes, sir.
एक तो तुम्हारे को मैंने देखा कि you were generally very open to new things, open to learning. So that is
yes,
one
sir.
thing which I found was good about you, and that has helped you.
Yes, sir,
that your adaptability, initiative, taking new things, and not getting perturbed over small things.
Yes, sir.
So that was something very I would say noticeable and promising. That gave me a lot of hope. Yes, you can make it. The other thing that we often talk about is liveliness.
Yes, sir.
So liveliness.
But sir, before you continue, I would also like to thank you once again, because here, sir, after the duration of lockdown, actually, sir, that was the time when I actually joined this group. And sir, at that point, sir, you cannot take any initiative there aren't one. But sir, you provided us with the different opportunities which were there, and that ultimately enhanced our personality and also the way which we interact with different people. So in fact, when you are on a platform which it is pan India, so you get to meet different kind of people from everywhere. And when you are focused toward this, particularly defense forces, you get ultimately the most wonderful people you can ever found. So that was also the boon I had by joining that, and by giving us different opportunities, like the Diversity India video we made and many videos we made. So that also provided us with the confidence which we need. So, sir, thank you for that, and sorry for disturbing.
No, and not at all. So basically, what things that work for people is, एक जैसे हम liveliness बोलते हैं, it's a very important quality OLQ.
Yes, sir.
जैसे हम बोलते हैं. No, liveliness is something which is inherent. Right? So वो हर एक में नहीं होती. So you had this, and there are a couple of candidates, learners, who have this in good measure, and it makes a lot of difference because how you face failures, how you face setbacks. So इसके ऊपर बहुत निर्भर करता है कि आप आगे क्या करने जा रहे हो. So this was one quality I admired in you, and then if through my platform I have been affording you people opportunities, like you said, where something comes out within your personality.
Yes, sir.
और हर एक में कुछ ना कुछ हुनर होता है. किसी में सिंगिंग टैलेंट है, किसी में कंटेंट का कुछ है, किसी में ड्राइंग है, किसी में कुछ है. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर, दैट यू व्हाटएवर इज़ योर डोमेन एक्सपर्टीज़. हो सकता है पढ़ाई में कोई बहुत अच्छा ना हो, लेकिन उसकी दूसरी फील्ड्स बहुत अच्छी है. और अगर उसमें उसको थोड़ी सी एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिल जाता है, आई थिंक उसका कॉन्फिडेंस गोज आउट टू अनदर लेवल.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
और उसके बाद में जिस चीज़ में वो अच्छा नहीं भी होता है, वहाँ भी अच्छा करने लगता है.
Yes, sir. Confidence is the key, sir. This I have learned.
हाँ.
In fact, if you have done nothing in your life, and just like the movies we say, na Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Gangs of Wasipur, if you have confidence enough, I believe SSB is nothing, because see, if you have confidence, actually the confidence comes from doing something.
Absolutely.
So this is where it is important. If you can fake confidence, I believe you can fake SSB. But the confidence is very hard to fake, sir, actually.
Exactly.
Yes,
तो
sir.
कॉन्फिडेंस जो आपको आता है कि आपकी नॉलेज से कॉन्फिडेंस आता है.
Yes, sir.
आपको अपनी एक जो आप कर चुके हो, आपका एक जो एटीट्यूड है, तो उससे कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. एंड
Yes, sir.
यू सेड इट राइटली, यू कैन नॉट फेक कॉन्फिडेंस.
Yes, sir.
यू कैन फेक इट फॉर अ वाइल, बट नॉट मच.
Yes,
राइट.
sir.
और दूसरी चीज़ जो of course, I also congratulate you on for your brother Nishkarsh. Both of you from the same family, having made it for the Air Force. Now here again I would like to highlight one thing. आप एक ही परिवार में रहो, लेकिन आप लोगों की अप्रोच अलग है.
Yes, sir.
Right? Your perceptions about life are different. Right? So one thing I would like to, through this interview, I would like to tell the viewers कि आपको अपने में ही कुछ खोज के निकालना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
राइट. इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करके आप निकालो, और आप में जो कुछ है उसके बलबूते पे आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो. It can happen in films. You have superstars, who are given a script by the director, and वो स्क्रिप्ट को बखूबी वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्ट करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन उनमें अपने आप वो चीज़ नहीं होती है जो डायरेक्टर उनमें वो कर रहा है. तो बियॉन्ड दैट पॉइंट, बियॉन्ड दैट स्क्रिप्ट और बियॉन्ड दैट एक्ट, दे कैन नॉट एग्जैक्टली बिहेव और गेट इनटू दैट कैरेक्टर फॉर लॉन्ग.
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे जो है SSB में यू कैन नॉट गो एज पर सम काइंड ऑफ अ स्क्रिप्ट विच इज़ गिवन टू यू, विच मैनी ऑफ द एस्पिरेंट्स इनफैक्ट वो इसमें धोखा खा जाते हैं. और प्री मेडिटेटेड स्टोरीज, प्री मेडिटेटेड आइडियाज़, तो वो है, दिस इज़ ऑल स्क्रिप्टेड. राइट. दीज आर स्क्रिप्टेड बाय देयर आर अ होल लॉट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री टुडे.
Yes, sir.
whether it is social media or it is a coaching industry, जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सटीक तरह से बना के कंटेंट दिया जाएगा कि आप ठीक है, अगर आप इसको फॉलो करोगे तो आपका सिलेक्शन पक्का है. नो, बट इट इज़ नो, हैविंग बीन इन द SSB, in the services, you cannot fake these things, and you
Yes,
have
sir.
to, and that's why we take 5 days to assess an individual. तो आप में अपना ही कुछ होना चाहिए. So, how about telling us something about your experience in the SSB?
Sir, before telling about the experiences, so you rightly mentioned about my brother, who in fact got previous recommendation before me. So first of all, sir, I did a mistake by not mentioning him before, because sir, if I say about my recommendation, 60% of the credit goes to my brother, because see, from the very inception of deciding upon the career, he was completely clear what he wanted to do, and because of that, he took up his decisions, which were completely different from mine, as you said, sir. And if you look from outside, sir, you will also say that we have a complete different personality. But sir, the push he gave me throughout my preparation and the strategies which he followed, and the strategies were simple as that: just work hard upon your physical fitness, upon your knowledge criteria, and always to motivate. That helped me a lot. And with that, sir, no success is ever achieved alone, sir. Sir, through, again I'll mention that group. Through that group, I met many people, sir. In fact, through Nishkarsh also, I met many people. So they all gave me few tips, few advices, which helped in taking my preparation forward. Like the example of, let's say, TAT, because it is very famous, sir. There are, sir, actually, you know, the reason I believe many people don't get recommended is because of the myths. Because there are so many myths around, because it's a simple, fair, simple process. So it's like just write properly, and if you have written clearly what you think, there are 60% of chances you will get recommended if you are not thinking very hazily. So according to me, I'm not a assessor, and actually this was clarified to me by the people who got recommended, like Nishkarsh. Then Swati also got recommended previous to that. I had a word with her. So these people told me, and Akhil was also there. So these people told me, अच्छा देखो, मैं तो ये सिंपल लिख कर आई हूँ, मेरे को कुछ उतना सब लिख, बेसिक रिलेटेड टू योर lifestyle, and you will easily make it through. And this, I made it a point. And here, sir, I would also say the book by Nehru sir also helped me, because he also mentioned, like, keep it mellow, keep it simple, don't overdo things. And sir, here those things are actually clarified me. This time the difference was the clarity which I had, which was not there previously. I went there with clear mind, and I was able to make it this time. So this is the, I think, one thing many people should take is the clarity of the process, because you, as you rightly mentioned, you cannot fake it.
You cannot fake it. And see, जो मेरा mission है, you know, to guide the candidates is to simplify things.
Yes,
you know,
sir.
people already know things. You know, you already have knowledge, you have everything. लेकिन उसको इतना complicate करके रख दिया है कि आप अपने को simple तरीके से बता ही नहीं पा रहे हो.
Yes,
आप
sir.
उसको कहीं ना कहीं आप इसको complication बीच में लेके आ रहे हो, complex बना दे रहे हो, and in the bargain you are losing your identity. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
precisely is a concern of the assessors. And even if someone, you know, wants to probably help you, just because you have written those kind of stories, you know, they don't relate to you at all, so
Yes,
you
sir.
cannot be helped, right? So बाकी बताओ तुम्हारा कैसा था? You know, people have a lot of I would say, you know, apprehensions about the group task and
Yes, sir.
the individual obstacles and
Yes,
things like
yes.
that. So your experience on this?
Absolutely, sir. Sir, in group tasks, one thing I thoroughly believe is, so you have to be genuine and you have to be selfless. So I know we are in middle of a great chaos sometimes, but fortunately every time I have went there, I have got beautiful groups, sir. Every time I have not made it, it's because of me alone. Because I have got so wonderful group, they have given me every time the opportunities, whatever I needed, to showcase whatever I needed. But the point is, the competitive mindset, it really hampers your performance. So one thing we can take is to be genuine, to be calm, to understand what is the task and help the group to move forward. Then sir, second thing I would like to clear here is one more myth. To do number of obstacles. Sir, I was only able to do 3 obstacles in AFSB Dehradun. That is by far pretty less. No offense to women, but they also do more than me. So this was really less. But I would say I did the hardest, which
So which were these?
sir, it was vertical rope, tiger leap, and that Burma bridge. These are not the hardest, but I was in the middle of monkey crawl. So if you are done with that, then you have covered pretty much the hardest.
Correct.
Just to make myself comfortable, I say this.
No, this is okay. Say again, like you know, rightly said, it's about the. It's a myth कि you know आपने अगर obstacles पूरे कर लिए हैं, repeat कर लिया है तो no you can make it. There is nothing like this. So जब तुम्हारा जो selection of obstacles है, that also makes a lot of difference. So it's not only about your physical fitness or your capability to do certain physical tasks. It is also about how you plan things. So it's also a mind game. It's not merely a physical thing. It's a test of physical fitness. It is not so. That is the biggest myth.
Yes, sir.
कि हमने obstacle पूरे कर लिए हैं, repeat भी कर लिया है. I've seen guys know who have done more than 2 times. They repeated
Yes, sir.
the whole
12, 13.
obstacle. Yes. लेकिन बात यहाँ पे हम केवल आपकी रॉ फिटनेस नहीं देख रहे हैं, फिजिकल फिटनेस देख रहे हैं, हम आपका देख रहे हैं आप किस तरह से प्लान कर रहे हो. नहीं, अगर आपने उस तरह से प्लान किए हैं ऑब्स्टिकल्स जो मुश्किल वाले ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं और उनको अगर आप पूरा कर चुके हो, yes, maybe a little bit of time management could have been better. You would have done a little more. But again, I would like to assure or reassure those who have perhaps not been to the certain coaching academies जहाँ पे GT की प्रिपरेशन होती है एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. आउटडोर्स आपने नहीं किए हैं तो आप आउटडोर्स में भी सीख सकते हो, वहीं पे रह के आप सीख सकते हो.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So of course basic fitness आप में होनी चाहिए. बाकी जो है it is all about how you follow instructions and how you take initiative. You said being selfless. So
Yes,
that also being a team man.
Yes,
अगर आप खेल कूद आपने किए हैं, you learn these things. They come naturally to you. You played those games. You will learn how to work in a team. Right, and I always say कि आप इसको as a treat it as a game, right?
Yes, sir.
तो I think that is तो उस तरह से मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोग उसको simplify करके देखें बजाय इसको बहुत एक complex वो मानने के.
And sir, just one thing I would like to add over here, sir, लोग इतना कम sometimes sir, they over prepare. Because of that, sometimes the instructions which are given over there are so clear, sir, that itself is enough.
Absolutely.
And sir, in fact, now I think, and when I look back, if I would have followed thoroughly the instructions itself which were given, that would have, I would have taken less attempt to get recommended, I feel. So because, like the example of, I'll take individual obstacle. Sometimes in the rush to do more, what we fail to do is follow the instructions. I have faced this twice, like in Allahabad and previous attempts also. So I know this better. And sometimes also this is repeated I have seen in PPDT, picture perception, and in the very first phase. There they say about the senses. But see, there are several good stories can be made. But we fight on our story sometimes, and that gives the negative impact towards actually the whole process itself. Because when you keep your story ahead and are not trying to come with the senses, so itself
Consensus, yeah.
Yes, a consensus. Sorry, sir. So that helps a lot if you follow the instructions properly and thoroughly. And before that, you need to listen to follow. So listening is also a key, sir, in getting recommendation, I believe.
नहीं, देखो, ये तो एक एटीट्यूड होता है आपका कि किस तरह से आप किसी चीज़ को अप्रोच करते हो. When you say that you have been lucky कि आपको हमेशा ग्रुप अच्छा मिला है, so it is not only कि आपको ग्रुप अच्छा मिला है, ग्रुप तो सभी के लिए अच्छा था, लेकिन आप उसको कैसे देख रहे हो? आप उसे पॉजिटिवली देख रहे हो कि मेरे को अच्छा ग्रुप मिला है. So it is how you view others, right? उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कैसा बर्ताव करोगे, आप कैसा बिहेव करोगे. बिकॉज यू फील दैट एवरीवन इज पॉजिटिव, एवरीवन इज कोऑपरेटिव, सो यू आर स्टार्टिंग ऑन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव नोट, एंड द अदर्स ओनली मिरर योर फीलिंग्स, दे मिरर योर बिहेवियर. राइट. तो ये बहुत होता है ग्रुप में कि आपका मिररिंग होती है एक, कि आपने गुस्सा दिखाया, दूसरा गुस्सा कर रहा है, आपने कोऑपरेट किया, सो दूसरा भी कोऑपरेट कर रहा है, राइट. सो आई थिंक दिस हेल्प्स अ लॉट, डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ यू अप्रोच रादर देन नो कि किस्मत से मेरा बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप मिला. इट इज़, आई वुड से टू सम एक्सटेंट यस, हो सकता
Yes,
है,
sir.
बट बाय एंड लार्ज इट इज़ नो हाउ यू व्यू थिंग्स. So that is very nice. And बाकी तो क्यों, why this choice of Air Force?
Sir, this is a funny question actually, sir, because they only called me. Sir, मैंने हर घाट का पानी पिया है. I have been to army for SSC Tech. I have been to Navy, as I told, 10+2 BTech. I have been to Air Force once, but they screened me out. So now again, and they recommended me. So this is the choice. And sir, I believe everyone likes to fly.
Yes.
This is also one thing.
So that interest in flying draws many people, you know, towards Air Force. And today, of course, you have the opportunity to fly in Army as well as Navy, right? In fact, I would even go further to the extent that you can even go for an option of Coast Guard, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's also a good option, which people should, exercise. People can exercise, right? So that is it. So Utkarsh, I'm sure a lot of aspirants will learn from your experience.
Yes, sir.
And बहुत सारी myths जो हैं उनको डीमिस्टिफाई करना वो एक लक्ष्य है इसका. और just to simplify, just simplify things and you will feel that SSB is not very difficult. It is just a subset of your life, how you approach life, how you approach things in life. अगर वो आपका अप्रोच सही है तो आपका SSB में recommend ना होने का सवाल नहीं होता है, right? So with that, thank you very much Utkarsh.
Thank you,
and
sir.
wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.